In this video, I will show you how to earn money on expert option. So in order to earn your money on expert option, what we can do is we can head over and then invest money to it. For example, right here, I will invest $50, and for this one, I'll head over and then buy some shares. So as you can see, it will show up if our actual deal is okay after 30 seconds. So this is the line that actually represents the duration of your actual deal. So if this point right here actually goes up once it reaches this part, that means that you have earned money onto our expert option. So what you can do is you can see and just wait if it actually earns you something or if you actually lost something. So let's see in here, and once it's reached this, as you can see, I actually lost that money or investment that I have. So it's actually a game of chance and reading if we actually have to earn money through this case.